You're spending an hour writing product descriptions that people skim before clicking buy. Or worse, you're copying manufacturer text, the same text every competitor has. AI can help you write better descriptions faster, but most people use it wrong and end up with descriptions that sound robotic. Here's a workflow that actually works. Before opening any AI tool, gather your raw ingredients. This is the step most people skip, which is why they get bad output. Write down your product name and category, key specs like size and material, who it's for, what problem it solves, what makes it different, and phrases your actual customers use. Check reviews, DMs, and emails. Real customer language is gold. Here's the difference specificity makes. A candle shop owner saying their candle smells like a forest gets generic output. But saying it smells like pine, cedar, and smoke, and that customers describe it as campfire without bug spray, gives the AI something real to work with. That detail came from a customer review. AI can't invent it. It has to come from you. That's the honest limitation. AI can't know what it hasn't been told. If your product has a unique origin story, quirky detail, or real reason customers return, that must come from you. No prompt will make AI invent something true about your business. Now, write a prompt that gets usable output. The biggest reason people get bland descriptions is bland prompts. Write a product description for my candle gets generic garbage. Here's what works. Tell the AI what the product is and its category. Describe your target customer specifically, not women 25 to 45, but people tired of mass-produced stuff who want something personal. Include key features, what makes it different, desired tone, and length. Tell it which words to avoid. AI overuses words like elevate, perfect, and artisan. Banning them forces creativity. A pottery studio might write a product description for a 12-ounce ceramic coffee mug, handmade, no two alike, for people wanting something personal. Dishwasher safe, slightly thick rim, holds heat well, made in our Vermont studio. Warm and conversational tone, one short paragraph. Avoid artisan, luxurious, and perfect. That gets something usable immediately. For tools, ChatGPT has a free tier that handles product descriptions well. You can paste a spreadsheet and get bulk descriptions at once. The paid plan is $20 monthly. Jasper is built for marketing copy starting at $49 monthly with e-commerce platform connections. But the output isn't dramatically better than ChatGPT with good prompts. Shopify Magic is built into Shopify and included with your plan, convenient but safe and flat, requiring heavy editing. Regardless of which tool you use, you must edit before publishing. Read it. Does it sound like a human at your shop wrote it? Check for unsupported claims. Make sure it answers the real question. Why buy this specific thing? Here's where this leaves you. The fix isn't just using AI. It's using it right. Give real, specific inputs. Write a prompt that clearly states what you need. Pick the tool matching your budget and edit the output. Do that, and product descriptions stop being dreadful and become something you knock out fast.